Now watch right here. You guys can see this red line? Okay? When I tell it to start, it's going to tell us what her heart is doing by moving up and down. If her heart is just beating calmly, it's just going to go up and down slowly. If she gets scared, it's going to go way up really fast. Okay? So let's see how her heart is doing right now. Savannah, you can watch the TV and you can see what your heart is doing, but keep your body and your hand really still for me, okay? All right. Let's see what we got. Okay, she's pretty relaxed. See, it's just small, little up and down, small. Okay? All right. Now, I'm going to warn you, I'm going to make a loud noise now. But try to keep your hands still. See, just telling her that, her heart jumps. Yeah. Just because she knows. Okay? Her brain's already getting nervous. Here we go. That wasn't too loud, was it? But still, look what happened. It jumped a little bit. All right. Let's listen to some relaxing music. It's still just, she's very nice and calm. Savannah's a cool customer. She's very relaxed. Okay. I didn't tell her that time that I was going to do it.
Oh, look at that.
See it jump up?
Yeah.
All right. Savannah, do you want to try one more? Okay. You're doing a great job being really still. All right. I'm going to surprise you again, so let's just let it relax. And sooner or later, I'm going to make that noise again, and we're going to see what her heart does. If you don't want to hear a loud noise, now's the time to cover your ears.
I'm going to do it.
That was loud that time. But look, guess what? You know what happened? She got used to it. That's called conditioning. Yeah, you're right.